Great. So I'm Brian Lee. I'm one of the co-founders of BAM Ventures. We are an early stage venture fund, pre-seed and seed stage, and we look to partner with entrepreneurs at the earliest stages of their business.
Hi, my name is Shameen Walsh, and I'm Brian's partner at BAM Ventures.
And I'm Adam Lebowitz, and I sit under Brian and Shameen on the investment team at BAM.
Yes, we are a consumer-focused fund, but we define consumer broadly. That's traditional consumer brands, as well as consumer tech and platforms. But we also do invest in SaaS software that enables commerce. So again, we're a consumer-focused venture fund, but we do define consumer on a broad level.
Yeah, so as Brian mentioned, we invest in consumer brands, consumer technology, and B2B commerce enablement. We are often one of the first investors in the companies that we invest in, institutional investors, I should add. We have invested in a number of companies such as Honey, that was acquired by PayPal, Scopely, that was recently acquired in a $4 billion transaction in the gaming space, Wondery, that was acquired by Amazon in the podcast space, consumer brands such as Blueland, a clean, refillable, eco-friendly product that was founded by a Korean founder, Rael, clean beauty, feminine hygiene products that was founded by a Korean founder, and a company called Corbett, based in Korea, that was acquired by Nexon.
Well, I think Seoul is a very perfect city to start a sort of e-commerce consumer-facing product or platform. And that's really because of the connectivity of Seoul. You have a very large population, of course, and all very well connected with strong internet and Wi-Fi all throughout the city. And so it's really a test ground, truthfully, of consumer goods, direct-to-consumer e-commerce, and also platform. I mean, if you think about it, social media was started in Korea, I say, with SciWorld, and it stems all the way back then. And Korea was very, very early when it comes to home shopping and delivery of goods, and Coupang is amazing. And it's just really a hub, and a very exciting hub of entrepreneurs that are spawning out of some of these great companies. So we're excited to be a small part of that.
I mean, I think one of the things that we're seeing is while markets have obviously cooled, great entrepreneurs and great business ideas are still able to find access to capital. Valuations have been compressed from where they were 18 to 24 months ago. And so I think that one of the things that we've seen especially come back to be the case over the summer is that there's been a realignment on pricing and valuation that's brought everyone back to the table. So I think the days of really frothy valuations on ideas on the back napkins have somewhat disappeared. But, we continue to be active as a fund. We continue to see and back great entrepreneurs on a daily basis. And so I think the narrative of it being a impossible art to go out and raise funds right now is a little bit misguided. But there's always opportunity for folks building interesting products and businesses into big categories.
Yeah, I agree with everything Adam said. I would just add that, our specialty is consumer and commerce enablement. And it's a category that we know that there's been a little bit of cooling from in capital markets. But we have seen companies that have solid underlying fundamentals still find great success in terms of acquisition, in terms of customer usage. And so we know that people are still buying things, but the idea of growth at all costs has changed. We've seen people lean into more interest in profitability and making sure that there's capital efficient growth. And we don't think that's necessarily a bad thing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Have a good night.